Hello friends, welcome to Holiday. So myself Arun Paul, so I'm working as a bartender in here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a cloudy swirl. So first we're going to need is double shot of espresso and powdered nutmeg powder and praline. So first we're going to pour the double shot of espresso in here. So make sure it's hot. Add some sugar. Add some nutmeg powder. And after that, add the whipping cream. And top up with some praline. So I'll just explain the process once again. So first we need to put a double shot of espresso, add some nutmeg in it and some sugar syrup. And after that, top up with whipped cream and praline later. And you can enjoy this mocktail from August onwards, exclusively at Stadia Holiday in Kochi.